Okay, guys, ladies.
What is that?
Hey, not like that. Not like that.
Oh my God, there's all these tools?
Yeah, number 6 is good. Yeah.
What does that mean?
How do we do this?
Oh boy. It's the blind leading the blind here.
I know.
You don't have anywhere important to go this year, do you? Great. Should we watch like a YouTube video? Let me call my friend Justine.
She may be busy.
OMG! I didn't think this would actually work. Look what I'm doing right
Look
now.
what she's doing to me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
He's literally terrified. I don't know what I'm doing.
Her?
Have you done this before?
You think?
Absolutely not.
Oh,
Just do it on the side. Just go straight up. Like one motion up.
Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Wait, this is a lot. No. This is like stressful, man. Now what?
Pull it out this way. Yes. And with the comb though.
Oh. You only help be the guinea pig. You're probably used to this.
Yes. Horizontal. Like scoop the hair.
Okay.
Your fingers.
Got it.
There we go. And then just cut straight up and down so that this hair is all one line.
I think you're about to have a bowl cut.
Yeah. That's okay.
How about instead of a haircut, you give him extensions?
Oh my God. Dad, do you want some fake hair in there? From the top going up.
Yeah. Like this. So get a little.
Oh yeah, I've seen you do that.
Yeah.
You're fine. You're in great hands.
Don't go all the way bottom though.
Do you go all the way to the bottom?
No.
Oh, okay. Oops. You're our hero. Thanks for being the guinea pig. Bye, guys.
You go deep.
Dad, there's a lot.
Yeah, but you all will come.
I can't believe you're a 70-year-old man. You have more hair than me.
That's okay. Like that. Yeah. Yep. Yep. You're doing good. There you go. There you go. Yep.
Justine said I do this.
Like your friend said.
Hey, I think I got a new career.
Better than before?
Yeah. Oh God, I think I went too much. You should have let me stop while I was ahead.
Can I see myself?
I'm scared.
Oh, don't come that close. Not bad. Only thing you messed it up here.
It's the new style. People go more thin on the
that's
ends. Honestly,
Not
it
bad.
could have been way worse. Wow!
Good.
Oh my God!
Good.
Well, there's some rough edges, but
It's okay. First time.
I'm so proud of myself.
You did good. Good job. Okay. Oh, look at my hair.
You look great.
You did good. Good job.
Now that Dad has his new haircut, we're gonna do a Q&A. We asked you on Instagram what questions you have for Papa Pandu, and we answered some of them on Instagram, but I figured why not answer them here also. Question 1. Will you start your own food YouTube channel on how to cook Indian food?
Not really.
I think Mama Pandu and
Mama.
Papa Pandu should start one together. My dream is a Pandu channel, like the Pandus. The problem is they don't consistently do it, and with YouTube, you have to be consistent.
I don't know.
Yes, he does.
Mama.
What's your favorite thing to do together?
Going to movies.
He falls asleep in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah, but we watched. Remember we watched that movie?
We watched Air Force One with
Yeah,
Harrison
Air Force
Ford. So random, but we did. But his favorite thing to do is to pay for the movie theater just for the air condition and the nice seats. Yeah, it's your favorite place to take a nap.
Oh my God.
What's your favorite part about having daughters? Hashtag girl dad. He is. Are you thinking? Oh, okay. What's the major point of argument between the both and how do you resolve it?
You have to get somebody.
To be fair, before COVID started, I did go on a couple dates, I told you. And then the whole world flipped upside down. What do you want me to do? You just want me to make an effort. You
But I
don't
won't
want.
force you because you see, that's your life.
What did you say the other day? The only two things that I need in a future husband?
The one who can cook and can manage your money. Though you're so bad in those things.
I told him I'm too busy building a business to think about it.
Yeah, but you have to manage also.
I do.
You need a manager.
He's exaggerating. I've had a lot of these conversations with my entrepreneurial friends. Everybody has things that they have to focus on and they outsource the other things. I know the basics, but if I have people that can do it, I need to focus on the things that only I can do.
You have to do more than basic. So.
Moving on, agree to disagree. Somebody said, please do a Telugu video. Say something in Telugu. Good job. What's your favorite thing about each other?
I like you. You are working hard.
I was gonna say my favorite thing about him is he's a hard worker. What's your biggest dream?
About you or?
I don't know. I think maybe
My
just.
biggest dream is, kids, which we achieved. My dream came true.
Are you hopeful that your grandkid will have a better version of America? Good question.
Of course.
Think it'll get better?
Yeah, it'll get better.
What's your favorite food in Kakinada?
You go there and you take a fresh mango, so good.
What kind of mangoes do you enjoy? The Kent.
It's a Kent, but in India we have called Banginapalli. It's really good one. It's like a Kent.
I mean, there's so many questions here asking about how are you so chill? How are you so cool? You seem so calm.
I relax. I take it easy for everything. I always say, thank God what we have, so that's it.
I think he has to be chill when he has a wife and a daughter like he has. We need some chill energy in this house.
Tomorrow, relax.
He's a calming force, that's for sure.
Yeah.
What makes a marriage last?
Understand each other, help each other, understand each other. You have to understand each other.
Did Raja Mutyala have girlfriends as his teens?
Question mark.
When are we meeting JR, Jaden?
Jaden probably not till end of the year.
TBD.
Yeah.
What's one life lesson you've given Deepica in love or in her career?
Work honest, work hard.
He's very big on being honest.
That is for sure.
What are your plans for this week's recipe? Tell him what you cooked yesterday, Dad. A full buffet.
Eggplant and tomatoes, and then you wanted the chutney, peanut.
He made chutney for dosas, he made sambar,
And sambar.
and he
rasam
made
too.
rasam and eggplant curry all yesterday. Oh, you'll like this one. Finance advice.
Oh my God.
He woke up this morning saying, I made my grandson $6. He's doing the stock market for JR.
Real estate.
Do you ever talk in Telugu to your mom and dad? Koncham.
Yeah. Monica is better than you.
Yeah. What's the funniest, most memorable moment between us? I think most memorable
We went to
was.
Ohio.
Oh my God. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. So my first job out of college was working for Victoria's Secret as an analyst. My dad and I drove to Columbus with a full car. On the way, we were about to run out of gas and we stopped at a motel. It was really scary. I think we both thought we were gonna die.
That was the worst.
There was groups of men in the middle of the place and they were like banging on doors. It was really scary. They were banging on our door. I left my job at Victoria's Secret in 9 months because they told me that I wasn't gonna be I wanted to be a beauty merchant. And they made it very clear to me that they didn't think I had the skill set to be a beauty merchant. Just to be very clear, a beauty merchant is somebody who foresees trends in the beauty industry and creates the products for the company. They said that I didn't have a good eye for that. So I left the company in 9 months and went to go work for a beauty startup called Birchbox, who did give me the opportunities to do what I wanted to do. And now Victoria's Secret's gone bankrupt. Sometimes if you're not given an opportunity, you have to make the opportunity for yourself, i.e. Lieutenant. Where's Mom?
Mom is with JR, helping Monica.
What are you both grateful for?
We are healthy. So far I'm 70 years and our kids are healthy, JR is healthy, everybody is healthy.
Would you ever go skydiving?
No, that's not for me. I go for cruise.
Is there anything about Indian culture that you don't like?
Yeah, some, in olden days also, like, they used to do child marriages and everything.
The old school stuff.
Yeah.
I think the biggest thing for me is colorism and casteism.
Catholic.
Those are the two things that I don't like about Indian culture, but I believe that in this generation, we can change it.
Change it. See, everybody's equal.
Let's flip it. What do you love about the Indian culture? Because there's so much more we do love.
Yeah. I mean, family. No family.
Family values
Family
is
values.
strong. So a lot of people are just saying, no question, I just hope my future husband is like your dad. He's a great dad. It's true. He set the bar high. All right, so my camera died, so now I'm on my phone. That is our Q&A/haircut session today. I don't know, we just kind of combined these two. I just have to say, I'm a good hairstylist, just saying.
You're good.
And what do you want to see from us next time? Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Deepica's channel.
Make my dad start his own channel and let us know in the comments below
not my own
what else you want to see from us, and we'll see you next time.
subscribe. Peace.